Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed the few short outing clips before this clip. This is where I'm going to show you guys, sorry, my hand's shaking, all the stuff I got on our trip. I think this is like the most things I've gotten in quite a while, like in one day. So, other than when I go to Once Upon a Child, I always go nuts there, so, sorry. I got hair in my mouth. So Kaya wore this sleeper. I just wanted her to be cozy and warm. And it's 3-month size. And it fits her okay, so I was really surprised. It's kind of baggy, but baggy's good. But I'm gonna change her because I don't like her to wear the same clothes to bed that she wore out to a store or something. I always feel like there's, excuse me, some kind of germs or something. So she's gonna sit in my lap because she's just being a little cuddle bug today. She just wants to cuddle with her mama, so if you guys can see her there. Oh yeah. Okay, so she's just gonna cuddle with me and I'm gonna show you all the things. So not this hairbrush, that is not part of the haul, and this hat she wore, it's not part of the haul either. It's Maddox hat. Okay, so first I went to the dollar store the other day and I just got a new brush because my retractable brush really sucks. The bristles keep falling out and then they're like stuck on the baby's face and then it just aggravates me. So got this one and I actually tried to see if it comes out. They come out when I pull them and they don't. So the other one you just barely touch it and it comes flying out. And it's by Elf and it was only $1.50, so I was like whatever. So I got this. It's not retractable, so maybe I'll use a retractable one for when we go places, but that won't be for home. Then I bought more of the stretchy stuff, and I made more headbands, so I'm going to show you some that I made. I made this one. It is like a teal color, like the blanket behind it, or, you know, a little more on the green side than blue, but there's a little diamond in the middle, and that's one I made for one of Kaya and Arya's outfits. Then this one was kind of like I messed up on the bow, and so I decided to add the giant flower in the middle, and it kind of looks okay. So there's this one, just pink. And then this one I thought I'd do with all the different flowers. I just actually got these from the dollar store. They're scrapbooking flowers. I just hot glued them on, so I thought they were kind of cute. They had hearts and stars too, so maybe I'll go back and get the hearts. But then I made these teeny tiny little bows because they don't have any orange headbands. So it's 2 little bows. I think I'll put a third one because just 2 looks kind of weird, but anyway. So yeah, it just has 2 little orange bows on it. And yes, I made those bows by hand. All of the bows are made by hand. And then I bought these and just stuck them on. So there's this one with the flowers. They still haven't been felted yet, so I'm gonna do that. I just like to put the felt like this. Just feel a little safer. And then I made her a yellow headband because she has a lot of yellow things, or quite a few yellow things. And I just wanted a nice, simple white and yellow headband. So those are the ones I made. Let me just... Sorry. I love bracelets and like, you know, like those friendship bracelets and stuff that you wear. Oh, sorry. Like this one. Where is it? There you go. But, I can only wear them on my right wrist. Whenever I wear things on my left wrist, it bothers me. So that's what I was doing. I was taking that off. Okay. My hair's wet. It's going on Kaya's head. Sorry, Kaya. I went to Walmart the other day with my dad and my sister, and I just saw this for Maddox, and I don't know, I just really like it. I don't know really why. I guess because it's not black or blue, and he doesn't have anything that's like green. So I thought this would be really cute because I have a pair of shorts that have green in them for the summertime. But yeah, it's just a little button-up onesie. It's just a child of mine, newborn Carter's. It has little monkeys, and then little dinosaurs. And then the onesie has, he already wore this, the shirt, he wore this yesterday. They all wore Walmart Child of Mine Carter outfits with the, like, shirt and the little pants. This one has the dinosaur, and then the little monkey is just, like, climbing onto his back or something. So, it's a really weird green. It's like a army, navy, weird green. And the pants just look like that, and then, the little monkey on the butt, which has a little loose thread there, but here we go. So cute. Okay, so I got that from Maddox the other day. So let me just, oh wait, I forgot to show you a headband. Also, I had this headband, it's for toddlers, so I cut it, I re-glued it, and I decided to use the stuff that I cut off to put around this purple bow. I made 2 little purple bows. I think I put 2 in here, but I decided instead I put 1 because one of them kind of got messed up. So I did this, and it looks really cute. Looks like it was made like that. So she also needed like a dark purple bow. Okay, this is taking forever. I'm gonna show you. A lot of people aren't interested, but I'm just gonna show you really quickly because I never show stuff like this. Sorry, my cousin is leaving, so the doorbell rang. This is a shirt for myself. It has an owl on it. I don't really wear like stuff like this, like girly stuff. I wear like Avengers cartoon t-shirts and jeans all the time. So this is more of my fancy clothes. We're going to a wedding shower, and that side of my mom's family always dresses fancy with skirts and dresses to things like that. So I thought that this is a little more dress-y, but not so dressy that'll be uncomfortable. So I just got the shirt for myself. I thought it was really nice. Okay, now for the baby. So we went to Children's Place, and I'm so excited about what I got. I spent 20 bucks, and I got quite a few things. So I got this. I don't know if it'll fit Kaya, but for sure it'll fit Arya. So I figured once it's washed, because I had one of these from what do you call it? Children's Place, and it was 6 to 9 months, and it actually kind of fit Maddox, like once it was shrunk and washed. So I'm thinking it might even fit Kaya, because she's a little bigger than Maddox. But it was big on Maddox, of course, but I mean, you know, this is 0 to 3 months, so I figured it'll fit better. So yeah, 0 to 3 by Children's Place. Here it says 0 to 3 right there in the tag. It was not $9.99, it was $6.99. It's pretty awesome. And I thought it said mommy, but it says daddy, but that's okay. It says I love daddy forever. Get it? Because it's a dog and it's furry. And then the other one was purple, but with a cat on it. I don't like cats. I don't know why. Just it's got like the Dalmatian pants. I thought that was really sweet. So we got that. And then these onesies both were only $1.99. So I'm going to shrink it and wash it and dry it. And it should shrink. It'll fit Arya and Kaya, because Kaya's got a fatter torso. So a lot of 0 to 3 month stuff fits her. So 0 to 3, and it says, what does it say? Perfectly cute, and she's got big glasses, and I just love that. They like stick out, kind of like glitter sticks out a bit, and the glitter doesn't rub off, which I really like. So yeah, it's so cute. And she doesn't have a lot of purple things. And this, I don't know, it just reminded me of Carter's. I just really liked it. But it's 0 to 3 months again. It was only $1.99, so $2, and it says it's like a hot pink, like a, actually it's a little bit more like an orangey pink. It's turning up a lot pinker on camera. The light pink, like, what is that called? They call it scalloped or whatever edges. I don't really care for the detailing. I just like the shirt. And it says wild about mommy. It's really cute. And then I found these pants for $1.99. They are the smallest size, so up to 7 pounds. I was going to get 0 to 3, but they look like they might be a little big, so I might go back and get a 0 to 3 for Arya, and then up to 5 pounds for Maddox. And they have the little, I mean up to 7 pounds, and they have little ruffles on the butt. Maddox actually has these. They're striped white and blue, so I figured, why get another pair? But, you know, they're $1.99. Maybe I'll go back and get one. And then I got this for Maddox. I'm so happy about this. I think it's 0 to 3. No, it's up to, yeah, it's up to 3 kilograms. So up to 7 pounds, I'm guessing. It's like so bright and just fun looking, and it has like all the circusy animals all over it, and I just really love it. And the sleeves are so short, which is good because he's so small, so I could see it fitting his arms just fine. So yeah, and it's skinny, and it's so cute. And then we went to Children's, I mean, oh my gosh, Carter's, and they didn't have too much, but they had a few things on sale. So I don't know what it was about the sleeper, but just like the really pale pink. I thought that this pale pink was so adorable with the little polar bears on the feet. Don't you think that's like so beautiful? And I only paid $6 for it, so I was like, whatever. I really like that. Just those polar bears. And it's snowing in the background of it. Your dad's here? Yeah. I could have got from Maddox. Isn't that cute? Mm-hmm. But see you later, Emily.
Bye.
See you Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If you're bored tomorrow and you're home, let us know. We'll be home. Oh wait, no, we won't. We're going to my aunt's house. Never mind. Unfortunately. Okay, anyway. So it says cool like dad, and even though it says dad, I don't really care, but I love this color. It's like a pinky, salmony, reddy color, and the letters are soft. So I just thought that was really cute. I only paid $5.99 for it, so wait, no, $7.99. Yeah, so it was $8. And then the last thing I got is mostly for Arya because I love stuff like this on Arya, but and it fits her like a dress, but it might fit Kaya like a dress also. It's 3 months. It was only $4.99, so $5. It's this adorable like swing top shirt. I thought this was so cute. It looks a lot more blue on camera. It is actually like a true turquoisey green color, like a sea foamy. I don't know, whatever. But I just thought it was really cute, and it's like it's supposed to be a swing top, but these always fit Arya like little dresses with little tights and a little headband. I think that would be adorable. So yeah, guys, that's my haul. Hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna go get Miss Kaya Bug ready for bed, and we'll see you guys later.